Hi everyone, and what a day it has been. Whenever someone says, try it, it'll be easy. Not always, okay, because this was not easy. We got the bow house, the frame up today. I mean, I had the middle frames hooked to the beam, and I figured I would push those up and then take the end pieces that have the plywood on this end, the other end, and just kind of put those up and lock them into place. Well, I had 5 people, and it did not go that easy. First of all, lifting this beam with all the bows on one side took an act of Congress, okay? It was heavy. So you had to hold that up, and then I had 2 people lifting this bow with the plywood on the top, which was connected, and the one on the back trying to get it over there. And it's at the last foot. Push, push, push. I don't think I've ever been as tired or as happy getting it up there in my life. So it's 16 feet tall. Oops, and I got a little peak there. And 16 feet wide and 24 feet long. I'll try to show you the length of it here on the side. Matter of fact, the height of it, it's as tall as my deck. We're talking about maybe making a ramp going from the railing to the top, huh? But I decided not to. It's scary enough getting on that peak to work on it. So anyways, I just wanted to give you an update on the bow house, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.